drop kit going on. Should take me about 2 to 3 hours to put it on. Literally unbolt the rear end, flip it, put the, can't say too much. I ain't even open the box, so I don't know what all I gotta do, but I know what the process is. But that's going in too, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the bed off. It's only 6 bolts holding the bed on. Pull that up, and then disconnect the light harness from it, from the bed, and do that install. But here go that drop kit. eBay 5-inch drop kit for the C10. Alright, they got some U-bolts, bracket, I'm sure. Yeah, just go around the axle. These drop pieces, this go around the axle. So I'm guessing normally this will go around the axle and go down, but I'm pretty sure with this setup it's gonna be flipped. So let's see the instructions. Yep, like I thought, it's gonna be flipped. Yep. Your light outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a light so I can unbolt all this, flip it, put the new stuff on, and we'll see the drop. We're gonna go from the back bump, the drop from the bump. Light outside, man, success. We gonna measure from the bumper and see what the height is right now. About 22.5 inches. That's what we got. And if we drop it, we're looking for 17.5 or so. But the kit say it's recommended you put a C-notch on it. So I'm just see what I could work with and see how it look. It still got bump stops and everything on it. That's what those is. But I'm not sure how it's gonna look, how low it's gonna sit. But I know that putting it on, unbolting and rebolting it up is a quick task. So go ahead and knock that out real quick. Man, he gonna be in love with this. I'm about to FaceTime Jrock right now, boy. This thing is sitting way more than 5 inches lower. And we probably gonna have to definitely do a C-notch on it. I just put that light right there so I can get a better image, but that's the small light. The big one's bulbs out. 15 and a half. Ish. Dang, 7 inches. We lost 7 inches, bro. 7 inches. I'm putting that bed on the lift, and that's how I'm gonna get that back on, because I ain't doing that again. It was easy to go down, but it ain't easy to go back up. 7 inches, so what I'm about to do is test fit the drive shaft, because some may know, some may not know, but doing suspension work on the rear end could adjust the angle. Drive shaft may not go in all the way. It may go in, but may not be able to come out if you do this with the drive shaft in. So you just gotta see what you can see. But I'm gonna save the rest for tomorrow. Man, I'll probably just put that tank in, since it's only a couple bolts and some straps for the swap. But other than that, man, that's it for the drop. Y'all see the aftermath of the drop once it's actually running, and I get the bed back on. So let me FaceTime him real quick, show him that drop. All right, it's getting late, man, so I'm gonna call it a wrap. This tank is full of fuel, so I was gonna try to use it for the first startup, but I don't know what condition it's in. I really recorded again to show y'all these insulating pieces. So I got some stuff like this. It's not as weathered, and I'm gonna go and cut to size. I gotta go get it out of storage tomorrow morning, but I'm gonna go do that. But tonight I'm gonna jump on some homework. Just showing y'all this. So tomorrow, like I said, I'm gonna go get my stuff that I got, cut it to size, and put that in there, because that's pretty thin now and it's really hard. And these are the tank straps, and they bolt in through the frame. So 4 bolts each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how I hold the tank up. So I'm gonna get the bolts, put them back in, and I'll put this on tomorrow sometime. And that'll be that. But I gotta get the stuff forward. So save that for y'all. And another one. But yeah, time for me to clean up. Thought I was gonna be able to put the tank on real quick, but yeah, I'm not gonna just put it on bare like that. That caused a lot of vibration. Tank cracked, all kind of stuff. Make all these loose, man, because the tank was being stopped by all of this. So if I put it loose and run my hoses inside the frame up that way, because it run on the drop side anyway under the hood, I should have no problem getting it down. So yeah, I'm gonna just put the tank back up, and it'll be fine. If I drop tank, it'll only be 8 bolts and come down. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Put everything back together. And just as I suspected, too long. Can't even go on. So it's gonna have to come down. Send it to the dry line shop. How much? I'll get my accurate cut tomorrow. It's too dark.
And I helped him do this.
No, she didn't.
Yes, I did.
Yes, you did. What you do?
Put that in there.
Oh, the leaf spring?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, she did help me do that. But, yeah, cut y'all back on tomorrow, and we'll have this bed on and get actual footage of what it's looking like. For real, for real. And then I think it's got an 8.5, man, but I'm pretty sure it ain't a positive. Yeah, that thing. Yeah, that's an 8.5, definitely. No positive, though. So, might just put what you call a mini spool in it. just to get some traction action. But y'all stay tuned.